Imagine a world where your home's value could skyrocket without draining your bank account. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. What if I told you that simple upgrades could not only enhance your living space, but also attract potential buyers with ease? You might think that transforming your property requires a hefty investment, but fear not. There are cost-effective home upgrades that can make a significant impact on your property's worth. Let's dive into the top 10 upgrades that can boost your home's value without breaking the bank. Number 1. Replacing your garage door is a game changer. This upgrade typically costs around $4,513 and offers an astounding return on investment of nearly 194%. A new garage door not only enhances curb appeal but also improves security, making your home more desirable. Number 2. Consider updating your entry door. With an average cost of $2,355, this upgrade can yield a resale value of $4,440, leading to an impressive ROI of 188%. A quality entry door sets the tone for your home and improves security. Opt for a modern style with an inviting finish to catch the eyes of potential buyers. Number 3. Adding manufactured stone veneer can dramatically elevate your home's exterior. At approximately $11,287, this upgrade can bring a resale value of $17,291, resulting in a ROI of 153%. It mimics the look of natural stone without the hefty price tag, creating visual interest that enchants buyers. Number 4. A minor kitchen remodel is another wise investment. While it costs about $27,492, the resale value often approaches $26,406. This upgrade focuses on modernizing fixtures and cabinets, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Consider energy-efficient appliances for added appeal. Number 5. Replacing siding can significantly improve your home's appearance and energy efficiency. Vinyl siding averages around $17,410 with an ROI of 80.2%, while fiber cement siding costs about $20,610 and offers an ROI of 88.4%. Choosing durable materials provides long-term benefits for homeowners. Number 6. Adding a deck can expand your outdoor living space and attract buyers looking for leisure and entertainment areas. A wood deck averages $17,650 with an ROI of 82.9%, while composite decking runs about $24,206. Create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces for an enhanced experience. Number 7. Never underestimate the power of fresh paint. A simple coat can refresh your home's appearance at minimal cost. Focus on neutral colors that appeal to a broad range of buyers. Soft grays and warm beiges work wonders. Number 8. Upgrading lighting fixtures adds style and functionality to your home without significant expense. Installing modern LED fixtures and smart lighting systems can yield a sale premium of 1.5% to 1.9%. Highlight high-traffic areas like kitchens and living rooms with unique designs. Number 9. Investing in landscaping offers a quick boost to curb appeal. Simple tasks like planting native flowers or adding mulch can transform your yard into a welcoming haven without extensive effort or expense. Opt for perennials for lasting beauty with minimal maintenance. Finally, number 10. Updating flooring. Whether refinishing hardwood or installing new tiles can greatly impact your home's interior aesthetics. Although costs vary, this upgrade often yields high returns as it directly influences buyers' perceptions of value. As you consider which upgrades to pursue, it's essential to align your choices with current trends in the real estate market. Projects like garage door replacements and entry door updates often yield impressive returns on investment. Prioritize upgrades that enhance energy efficiency and functionality, as they not only boost property value but also reduce utility costs, making your home more attractive to eco-conscious buyers. The benefits of these cost-effective upgrades are immense. Increased property value, improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, functional living spaces, lower maintenance costs, greater comfort, and market competitiveness. Beyond financial rewards, upgrading your home brings personal satisfaction and pride in ownership. You'll enjoy your newly transformed spaces while knowing they add value for future buyers. Now that we've explored these impactful upgrades, consider the possibilities waiting for you in your own home. Take action today to ensure that your property stands out in a competitive market and attracts the right offers when you're ready to sell. For more insights on cost-effective home solutions, visit our site at Big Home Projects. Our platform is dedicated to empowering homeowners with practical advice and resources that lead to successful transformations. Explore DIY tips, contractor recommendations, and budget-friendly ideas tailored to help you achieve your home improvement goals effectively and affordably. Stay tuned because the next big trend in home improvement is just around the corner. What will you choose to enhance next? The possibilities are endless.